Alright, for the next video, we're going to talk about the principles of organization. So, in organizing, there are two basic types. So, we organize based on authority. That's the first one. An authority is a special power or official or a right of the manager to lead in decision making, issuing rules and orders, and how to allocate resources. Okay? Please take note that authority entails people. So may taong nakatalaga na person in authority, but the authority itself is not given to a person but to a specific position. Ibig sabihin, sa halimbawa si President, pag di na siya Presidente, he has no longer the authority to mandate or to give rules to the people. So same thing sa atin. If our manager resigns, then he or she has no longer an authority over us. So it is from a position. An authority is acknowledged by the subordinates, kaya kinikilala ng mga taong nasa ilalim niya, and usually nagfo-form ng downward vertical work positions. So from a person in authority like a manager, meron siyang assistant and merong mga staff or mga workers. Okay, so types of authority, we have the line authority. So it has something to do with supervisor and subordinate relationship. Okay, the supervisor decides and gives orders, the subordinates should follow. The staff naman, when you're a staff authority, the manager has the staff has the right to advise and assist the line authorities or the managers. Okay, so hindi lang sila sunod ng sunod. They have the right, they have the responsibility to give careful analysis and give recommendations sa managers. Pero again, subject pa rin siya for approval. And we have also the functional authority. This is the right to issue orders in a designated segment of the organization for specific length of time only. Ibig sabihin, kapag may project or may event, functional lang yung kanyang authority. Halimbawa, nag-organize ng party, Halloween party or Christmas party ang isang company, merong person involved. So, kung ano yung mangyayari sa program ng event, hanggang doon lang yung authority niya. Say for example, si HR, Human Resources ang nag-lead nung party. So, sila lang yung may hold ng program. Pero hindi sila yung kabuuan ng buong kumpanya, sila yung magpapatakbo. So, for a certain specific time lang. Okay? Authority has something to do another naman is the span of control. So organizing in a span of control it refers to the number of workers reporting directly to a specific superior for thorough supervision. So ang control structure ng span pwedeng tall, ibig sabihin marami siyang positions na nasa ilalim, or isabihin yung mga under sa kanya, meron ding mga hinahandle na tao, at pwede ding flat or may wide span of authority. Ibig sabihin, isa yung nagli-lead, lahat direct handle niya. So pwedeng pahalang or pwedeng patayo yung line of or yung span of control. Factors affecting the span of control. I'll make it quick. Stability ng workers. Okay, subordinates' ability to execute tasks. Nakatira ba sila o nakatatrabaho ba sila sa isang location o affected dahil iba-iba ng location? May proper training ba and meron bang minimal supervision required o kailangan tutok na tutok? Merong rules and procedure defined tasks? Manager's accessibility to support system and personal care, lalo na kapag magkakaiba ng location? Shortest time required for non-supervisory tasks, and manager's preferences. So lahat ng 'yon nakakaapekto sa span of control ng isang manager. So halimbawa, halimbawa McDonald's, kung ikaw ay manager sa Parola, hindi mo handle yung nasa Valley Golf o yung nasa may Brookside, yung sa may gas station, unless they're under the same McDonald's management. Ba? Organizing process in a span of control may include division of labor, yung hati ng trabaho, departmentation, paghahati-hati ng malalaking trabaho, department interconnection, yung pagduduksong ng bawat departamento, pagbibigay ng duties and responsibilities, at pagde-define ng hierarchy o nung pagkakasunod-sunod ng istruktura ng isang organization. So, we'll continue with the next video.